Crunchy, golden, and packed with flavor, these eggless pumpkin sticks are the ultimate snack. Make them perfectly crisp every single time. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with our main ingredient, that's the pumpkin. I have skinned and de-seeded it, and cutting into thin slices helps to cook them real quick. So place it in a steamer over medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes, or until it turns soft enough to cut through easily. Once it has cooled down, transfer it into a clean dry bowl. And using a potato masher, we will mash it thoroughly. To this we will add some room temperature yogurt. This is a good substitute for eggs. And along with that, we will take semi-melted butter. You can take salted or unsalted. This helps to give the crisp, light texture. Give it a good mix until you find a good uniform mixture. Once done, we will now add sugar, salt, and some milk powder. Now to mention, the sugar enhances the natural flavor of the pumpkin, whereas the salt balances the sweetness. And the milk, of course, adds the richness, giving it the perfect texture that we are looking for. Once that's done, we will now take the final ingredient, that is the all-purpose flour. We will add it in batches to ensure uniform mixing and ensuring no flour pockets are left behind. I'd like to mention that the flour gives structure here, but if you prefer a healthier twist, whole wheat or oat flour works just fine. And if you are out of pumpkin, don't worry. You can use potato. It's a great alternative. And it has a similar texture and natural sweetness too, making it a perfect swap. Mix just until everything is almost combined, and finally use your hands to bring everything together. But make sure not to knead it too much, as it will create too much gluten and it may turn out to be difficult to roll. Lastly, a sprinkle of black sesame seeds, not just for the nutty crunch, but also for their rich antioxidant and earthy flavor. They blend beautifully with the pumpkin, adding both texture and depth. You can also try white sesame or even crushed nuts for a different twist. Each one adds its own unique touch to this crispy pumpkin sticks. Now allow the dough to rest for about 30 minutes, and meanwhile we will prepare the work surface with a rolling mat and using a parchment sheet and dusting it with some dry flour for ease of rolling out the dough. We will work with it in batches, keeping aside one half covered in cloth to keep it from drying out. The rolling of the dough can be done keeping in mind not to stretch the dough too much. So roll from the center to the four corners to make a rectangular shape that helps to give us uniform sized sticks. Roll it out into a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Now using a pizza cutter, simply run it through, giving it about a 1/4 inch thickness strips. And now comes the creativity part. All you need to do is take a strip and start twisting it by holding from one end and swirling it from the other, just like I've shown here. Similarly, repeat the same for the rest of the dough. And you can always dust a little flour if you find it to be sticky while twisting. These pumpkin strips take on such a fun rustic shape, and the best part, they bake into perfectly crisp golden sticks that are so addictive. If you love simple, unique recipes like these, do check out the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll like them. And let me know in the comments below what you think about it. These look amazing, especially with the little specks of black sesame. Time to bake them in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for 15 minutes. And then the next 10 minutes at 140 degrees. Crisp, golden, and delicious. If you'd like any further guidance with regards to any recipe on my channel, you can join my WhatsApp baking community for beginners, and we can answer all your queries for instant help. I've shared the link in the description box below. Perfect when paired with a bowl of fresh herb pesto. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Let us now see the texture from within. A beautiful tint of browning with a perfect snap. Light on the inside and so flavorful. Trust me, you won't be able to stop at just one. Try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.